seafront. All busy. Today is a Friday.
Friday morning.
Friday morning, yes. This is one of the places that the cruise liners stop. Although there doesn't seem to be one here today.
I think they're more common from April onwards, and we're still in March. So that's when the summer season begins.
Ahead of us there you can see the old town. We'll go there a bit later, up in the hill. And this is the bus station, smack bang in the middle of the city. Walking distance to everywhere, really handy.
You can get off the bus and jump in the sea in minutes.
Yes. We really struck lucky with the weather. It's the first Friday in March.
It's not very high today. It's something like 16 degrees, but the sun is very strong in March in Greece, and it can make it feel a lot warmer than it is. This is the central square, and it has all around it some really impressive buildings. I think it is Baroque architecture. Most of those buildings used to be tobacco warehouses, because the city has a big history with the tobacco trade. That's how it flourished. This one at the front is the municipal building.
It's like a castle.
It looks like a Hungarian castle. This impressive building is the Great Club of Kavala. It was founded in 1910. And it was a women's charity for the poor. There are many narrow streets with a lot of places to sit down and have a coffee and something to eat.
Okay, we stopped for not a light lunch. We've got the burger, which we wouldn't normally do, but we're eating tonight with Carrier's family, and we're not eating until very late.
So we're having something quick now, and then we'll continue walking.
We've just come to the old town of Kavala, and to mark the boundary is this amazing structure. It's the aqueduct, built in the 16th century, and it's the most well-preserved aqueduct in the Balkans. 280 meters long and 25 meters high, and it was built to provide water to the city centre. Ooh, a house for sale there. That's tempting. I'm going to look it up when we get back.
Nice bookshop.
The obligatory fridge magnets. These are amazing, absolutely amazing houses.
It's so much more to see than the Anopoli of Thessaloniki. Alright, there's a temple here, an Ottoman temple. There are many narrow, pretty streets to explore in the old town.
It's like stepping back in time with all the
Yes.
cobbled roads.
And there is less traffic here than the rest of the city. Oh, look at this building.
This is really steep. I don't know if the camera is picking up how steep it is. Oops, losing its roof.
This is collapsed.
Oh, but what a shame for that. Look at that.
Yeah, this one
What an
is
amazing house.
been left.
Unfortunately, left to fall down.
Yeah, sections have collapsed.
We're quite high up, so the views are a bit special. You can see over the sea here.
Yes, and of course we're heading for the fortress, where it's going to be even better. But yeah, look at the sea, so calm today.
All these nice traditional balconies. I'd love to live in an old town like this. In a really old house with a magnificent view.
Yeah, the view is everything.
It's such a nice way to spend the afternoon, walking around the old town. I think you can just see the castle at the top there, right at the top, which is where we're heading.
Tiedus snälla.
Bit of renovation going on, which is nice to see.
Yeah. It reminds me a little bit of the old town of Thessaloniki, Anopoli,
Yeah, I was going to say that.
because that had the Ottoman influence as well.
Yes.
There's the walls of the fortress. You can see how thick the wall is. This information point is showing, it's giving some points through the history of Kavala and the importance of the wall, because it was a coastal city and an important city at that. The wall was protecting it from the enemy, and it was fortified during the centuries to make sure that, you know, it stays intact. Obviously today only sections of it remain. So this says that the walls are from the 7th century, and you can see fortifications through the centuries, through the Byzantine and the Ottoman period. You can see how the city is surrounded to the north by mountains and forests. Let's go for a walk on the walls around the fortress. Such a nice view. The path is quite uneven, so if you visit in, have a flat shoes, trainers ideally.
It's an amazing place, isn't it?
The view is something else. It's funny that we visited Kavala before, but it was from a nearby town and we were in a bit of a rush. So we didn't make it to the fortress.
We didn't. And we had your mum with us once before, so probably she wouldn't be able to do the...
No, she wouldn't be able to walk here.
It's a bit, it's not a good underfoot. I'd love to come and see a play or something.
A play, yeah, or a concert.
Open air, yeah.
Where it's
like the corner of the
tower, yeah.
Yeah, the tower. Look at the view. Oh, it's just unbelievable.
Yeah, so you can see the viaduct down there. Now we're above it rather than below. The whole city on our plate, and even the port. Such a beautiful city. Probably one of our favorites in Greece.
Yes, definitely. They've even got an original cannon and a good supply of cannonballs. I bet they're really heavy, these things. I think they're metal.
Look at this door. This is the main circular tower.
Built in the first quarter of the 15th century.
There are some ancient artifacts here.
Going good. What you had? It's just a look at, I presume, at the time.
Yeah.
Would have crawled in there.
Yes.
Oh, this little.
And another.
Look out there.
What you had?
I think it goes higher. There's more steps. Yeah, there's more steps. Somebody else will be shooting there. Then it goes up again. It's getting narrower and narrower.
Don't come up here if you're claustrophobic.
Or if you're more than 8 stone. Ooh. One more set of steps takes us to the top. Just when you think you've seen the best view of the city, you come to something else.
Keeps getting better. Wow. I can't get over how calm this is. We walked on that promenade a couple of hours ago. Fun to see it from so high above. And the weather is already very spring-like, but not hot yet.
Just an absolutely amazing place. We're so lucky to be able to visit these places.
I think so.
Once again, we have had an absolutely fantastic day today. The weather has just been brilliant.
It has, and it's such a lovely place to finish the day. Up here on the top of the tower.
It's like a city of two halves. You've got the new half of the city, which is huge. Lots. You can spend a day just walking around the streets of the new part of the city.
Yes.
And then you come into the old town, which is up the hill. And again, you can spend a day here just wandering around. It's amazing.
The old town, the narrow streets are so pretty. Some of them are a little bit crumbling, you know, but that still adds to the charm of the place. You can get lost
easily,
and find little coffee shops and places to have a drink. It's just really stunning. It reminds me a little bit of Dubrovnik, where you can walk on the walls around it.
And I would say if you can visit here, just do come along. Kavala, northern Greece, and especially if you can come out of season when there's not too many tourists about.
Yeah, I mean, as we're talking now, on the opposite side there is a beach that is a beach in the city, so you don't have to go far away to go to the beach. And behind it you can see Panagia mountain, which still has snow on the top. So it kind of combines everything really. And we're now in the beginning of March and it's 18 degrees and it's really warm in the sun. So very pleasant time of the year to be here. You don't have to come in August.
No, definitely not. A really nice day out. Anyway, if you liked the content today, as always, please do like and subscribe. It really helps us to grow the channel.
Let us know in the comments, what do you think of this city? Have you heard of it before? Have you been? Would you like to visit? Honestly, it is a stunning place.
Yeah.
See you very soon.